guys? So they came today, worked on the garage. They got one more day to put in. But I'm out here right now temporarily wiring lights. So I have light out here because, you know, I'm probably still going to be working in this as we get it built. So I wanted to temporarily have some lights. So there's 2 of my LEDs. Let me get out here. I'm putting 6 up right now. So put 2 up right now, which is pretty good. I'm going to put 6 up all together right now. I'm going to put 1 more up over there and then 3 across there. And like I said, these are just temporarily. I have them linked together and the wiring is hanging. I am going to go to the hardware store tomorrow and get something just to hold that up for the time being. This light opened up and it's busted already. Of course, Black Friday deal, so it was dented right here and the lens is busted. But I think it's still going to work, so we're still going to hang it up. I don't care. This is the shop. So, already got the hooks up here, and we'll get this up. So I need to clean up my mess right here, but 6 seems adequate for this part. Seems really good, actually. So we're probably gonna put 6 up in Ashley's gym, but then that only leaves me with 8 to put over here. So I'm thinking we might have to go get 2 more maybe. I'd like to have 10 over here, to be certain, but yeah, 6 seems really good over there. And then they still need to, they're going to be bolted straight to the ceiling. So right now they're hanging, as you can see. They're hanging maybe a foot down, a little over a foot. Then the further up you put them, the more light you get. So like you see how it's dark right here up, that'll all get lit up and stuff once you get them up higher to the ceiling. But it does make a huge difference. Over here, what we're doing for insulation down here, before my battery dies, the whole gym we're doing with the R21. It's going to be expensive. It sucks. Don't really have the money for it right now, so we're seeing what we can do for that. I need to cover this wall with something. I don't know yet. Maybe we'll see if he has any tin left over, and maybe we'll have enough. I don't know. If he has enough extra, I'm going to ask him if he can go across that with the tin. Like I was saying before, I have somebody that's really interested in my Veloster. We could make plans to do a deal this weekend, so it's either going to be this week or next week if she does. But I need to get the original wheels and tires back on, which I have right there. So I am going to scooch the Veloster in here and change the wheels real quick. It's the next day, and contractors are here. They're finishing up their part of the garage, I believe, today. I don't know. They might have to come back Monday, but it'll be fully closed in today. Whenever they leave, I'm hoping they leave sometime today and they clean out some of their stuff. I want to pull the Trailblazer in. I'm not going to be able to clean it. It's freezing out. It's very cold. Everything's frosted over. Looks like it's 25 degrees out, something like that. It's not ideal temperatures for cleaning a vehicle. But the Trailblazer is not really dirty. I'll use some instant cleaner and stuff, but I still have to get that layer of crap around the door, and that's about it. It's ready, but I need to get my pictures, and the lighting in my garage now is gonna be perfect for that. So and I'm not sure, I might wire lights up in Ashley's gym portion today too, just temporary lights, because we're gonna refinish the whole thing, but you know, gotta have good lighting up there to do all that. So yeah, it's still gonna take some time. I've been waiting all summer just to get this garage built, and now it's here, and it's probably gonna take me all winter to finish it. So it's a work in progress, just like everything else, the Eclipse and you know, everything else going on. It's just a work in progress. So I hope, you know, eventually we'll get it done, but I really don't have the funds to finish the garage at this moment. So we're just gonna work with what we have and what we can do for right now. So my wife's in New York today, and what would a video be without the kitties? Well, I want to show you something. Her friend stayed here last night on this mattress, and these two have occupied it ever since she let. Well, you reaching out for help? You tired? Hey, Stella. Hey, Stella. Oh, good morning. You two gonna get up this morning, or what? Huh? Oh, a big stretch. The benefits of my wife not being home. Of course, you gotta put the seat back about 20 feet, because she's just a little shorty. Cold, the screen's fogged over. Could be ice. So, just had to stop at the post office because they didn't deliver my packages. Hold on a second. Oh yeah. Anyway, so we got some packages today, and I'm throwing everywhere. And what they are is a new camera for me. Daddy Techie NT. I promoted them before, but my camera came, and well, I'll tell you how it started out. I told them I was gonna get one of those cameras that I'm using right now, the one that I broke the screen on. It looked like they had a new version of it. It turned out it was actually a different camera. It wasn't a T5e like I normally use. It was a T5 Edge, which has some different technology in it. It has like more features, but when we got it and I tried to use it, the video quality was not there. Like, these have so much better video quality. So I asked him if he didn't mind if I sent it back, and he was cool with it. So I sent it back, and I ordered a Yi light, because everything I find online is they're good cameras. They're really good. The quality's really good. So I'm going home right now, and we're gonna switch cameras. But I got, the camera was on sale for $60. I got a 3 battery with battery charger kit, which it charges all 3 batteries at the same time, and I got a different mount for my cameras, and it was still less than what that other camera was. I think I have a couple cents left in credit, but I really got to thank him for getting me another camera. I mean, really, you know, having one broke, it really put me down, and then with the tough money times right now, I wasn't gonna buy another camera, but it really helps me out. So I'm gonna go up here to the house to get everything out, and hopefully the batteries are charged, or at least one of them's charged, and I'll get some footage with that. Alright, so here's everything I got. The main reason why I did go with this, well, to get another one of these, they jacked the price up on these to like $160. The quality on these is just as good, if not better. The sound sounded better, and the batteries last longer. And that was my biggest complaint with this camera, is my batteries seem like they have a short life, where this, the batteries are actually bigger in size, so they're bigger capacity. I think they're 300 milliamps bigger than what this takes, something like that, but I get a little bit more life out of it. And then this is the extra mount I got, so I ought to be able to get some good angles with that. So let's switch over now. Alright, so this is my E-Lite. I haven't changed any settings on it, I just have it on 1080 60 frames. Still at it. Oh, you're alert now. What are you doing? Hey, Stewie. So anyway, this battery only has half life left on it. Thankfully, we have 3 more, so I don't have to worry about this one going dead right away, because I got all these other ones. I'm gonna go get some grub. I'm waiting for these guys to finish up. I don't know what time they're gonna be done, but when they're done, we'll get the Trailblazer down here, and we need to clean it up. I also need to clean up the Veloster, but I don't know if I'll do that in this episode or not. I don't really have a lot going on this weekend, guys. It's hard for me to get 3 videos when I got nothing going on, so it's kind of like filler. Sorry for that, but it is what it is. I have good and sad news already. The Veloster sold. Basically, this girl, she's from West Virginia. The bank called me, the credit union, and she was granted the money. So the Veloster's going to be leaving probably this week or this weekend coming up. So it's kind of sad to see it go, but on to bigger and better things, I guess. And guys, just like that, he's finished. He's finished with his job. It's for me and my father-in-law now, but I have vehicles to take care of. So I don't know, I'm still debating. I'm thinking about putting windows up here. That might be creepy though. I could look up and watch people working out while I was down here. Did that actually brighten this up over here? This is bright. We need to go get this and the Trailblazer. Alright guys, anyway, I stopped the episode right there because I have so much footage from that day, and right now this is that day and it's 11:30 at night. I just started tinkering in the garage. A whole bunch of stuff got done. It got real exciting for a little bit, so this episode was kind of blah. I apologize, you guys. Sometimes you gotta have a day like that, but I split this up because the next episode is gonna be better. It's more fun. I think you guys will enjoy it. So we're gonna stop there. So you know what to do. Go check out some of my other videos, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Pizza!